Hello to all the Form 5 students. Today I would like to continue with part 2 for the finding the z-score from the probability value given. Okay, I have actually completed the part 1 whereby the question given the z-score, right? Z-score, then you're asking to find the probability value. So until here I stop, right? So today I would like to start with for my previous video I have do until here, right? So I'm going to start from find the value of the z-score if they give you the probability like this, right? So let's say find the value of A is a z-score. They give you the probability value. So from the probability value given, we have to sketch a bell shape like this. Okay, and you should know that the middle is always 0. Negative you can put anywhere to the left, and then A I think if I will put here. Why? Because the area of the bell is more than 0.5, so it should be more than half of the bell. So I will expect the A will be positive, right? So if you look at that, you have three choice. These two are negative, so I will choose this one. All right, so I'm going to show you how I get this 0.3785. So basically, if you want to find the z-score from the probability given, if you are having a calculator, it's very easy. You just go to your calculator and find this area, right? So okay, if you press your calculator, let's say you use a new one, you go to bell shape, you go to 72, right? Then you go to because you are given the probability value, right? So that means you find your this area first. For the blue one, you don't use inverse, you use a normal CD. The lower limit is -5, upper is -2.5. We want to know the area shaded in blue color first. So you key in -5 for the lower limit, you key in -2.5 for the upper limit, right? And you will get the answer, which is very small. It's actually 0.0062009. I got 6.209 times 10 to the power of -3, right? Which is very small. So hence I can say that, okay, I have the area for the one shaded in red color, right? Okay, for the one shaded in red color, I got this area 0.6413, so I can just plus with a 0.6413, right? Okay, so if for the new calculator you got the area shaded to the left, you can just actually find the A. Okay, you can find the z-score. So now you go to shift 9, you initialize your calculator again, then you go to bell shape 7, but you go to 3. When you want to find back the z-score, you always use inverse. So the area now is, you can just key in 0.0062009, you plus with the 0.6413, right? That is the total area shaded to the left. Alright, you understand what I mean? So I'm going to show you that I can use a calculator by new calculator is shaded to the left. Okay, so then you just don't use don't do any changes to the standard deviation and the mean 1 and 0. So you will get the A is, I got the A is 0. From the calculator, right? Later I will show you 0.3786. Directly from the calculator, I got the answer, which is a little bit different. The calculator is a bit accurate compared to the one in buku sifir or the normal distribution graph. So it's a positive value, right? You understand? So if you, let's say you use the normal distribution table, is a bit troublesome, but okay, it's not really tough. You just highlight to the area shaded to the right. Alright, so you can find this by using 1 minus this answer, isn't it? Okay, let's use a calculator. You just take 1 minus out 0.6413 minus out 0.006209, right? Okay, you will get 0.3524. Okay, 1 minus the answer here. Your area shaded in blue here, I got 0.352491. Okay, now you go to the buku sifir here. 0.2, you have to look from inside, you know, the P is here. The Z score is outside here. All the L shape here are Z score here. Okay, all these are Z score, right? So now I want to find the Z score given the P. I already got the area, which is probability 0.3525. Okay, 0.3525. So I will 35. Here I got 0.37. No, I still have to go down further. 0.35. Where is it? Somewhere here, right? Let me draw a line so that I can read correctly. Okay, I got 0.3520, you know, for the P, and the nearest to my answer is my Z score is 0.38, you know, 0.38, right? Okay, now see, I'm going to do adjustment. So it's a bit troublesome, you have to do adjustment. You got 0.3525, right? Okay, so we have to add on 0.0005, right? Okay, here you have to minus 0.00 minus for the Z score you have to minus Okay, you go to the phi here. You don't have phi, right? It seems like you're having must have same line. You got 4, right? So it's equal to 1, and this one, it must be 3 decimal. Here must be 3 decimal. Here must be 4 decimal, right? Okay, so here 4 decimal, here 3 decimal, correctly. So when you plus, you have the minus, right? Okay, so it's 0.3. Okay, 379. Okay, 0.379. 0.379. So that is the best answer we can find. So we will get the answer that actually quite close to this answer, 3786. If you round off, this one is 0.379, right? Isn't it? So buku sifir can allow you to find 3 decimal answer. Alright, so the nearest answer. So we will heading to the next one. Okay, so for this video, I will discuss slowly one by one so that you aware how to find back the Z score using your normal distribution table, and I will show you how to press the calculator later on. Alright, okay, so I'm going to show you how to use a 570EX calculator to find back the Z score if the probability value was given, like this question. So if you look at the bell shape, they give you the area between negative 2.5 to A, right? To a Z score A is 0.6413, right? Meaning that we can find the area that is less than negative 2.5 from the calculator. So to find the area is Manu 72. Area means probability, right? So the lower limit is negative infinity, negative 5. And then the upper limit of negative 2.5, right? And the 1 you don't disturb, right? You'll get answer which is 6.209378776 times 10 to the power of negative 3. that is actually area shaded to the left from negative 2.5. Okay, we can say that the area is very small. It's around 0.006209. Okay, so in this case, for this calculator, the area is shaded to the left. Okay, shaded to the left. Be careful, it's not the same with the normal distribution table, and also the other two type of calculator, or the area is you can find shaded to the right. Okay, so now we want to find the area that's shaded from A, all right, from A to the left. So we have this area plus the area given, right? The area given is 0.6413. So if I plus 0.6413 with this one, I get the area shaded to the left. Get what I mean? Okay, let's now go to bell shape, right? You go to 3 inverse normal. Now the area that you need to focus for this calculator is area shaded to the left. So it's actually 0.006209, right? Which is very small, just now I told you. Okay, we just take this number for significant figure. We need to plus with the area given by the question, which is from negative 2.5 to 8, right? Which is 0.6413, isn't it? So if we plus this area, we get the area shaded to the left from the z-score A, isn't it? So then you just plug into the calculator for area shaded to the left, then the calculator will give you the z-score. Okay, the z-score is 0.3786, which is a little bit slightly different with the answer from the maze given there. So it's around that. You can choose 0.3785 or 86. It's okay. All right. So this is how you use an inverse to find the z-score, whereby only this calculator can give you the answer for the z-score if the area given. All right. So I do hope that you enjoy using your new calculator, Casio Classic FX570EX. But if you don't have the new calculator, it's okay. You can use your normal distribution table, and you can use your old calculator or new calculator. No problem, right? Okay, so that's all my sharing for how to use a new calculator.